Hello everyone, my name is Luke and welcome back to Banking Help SA. This is how to create a Binance account in South Africa. Watch until the end so you do not miss any steps. If your app layout looks slightly different after an update, the steps are still the same, so just follow along and look for the same options. First, download the Binance app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, then open it. Select the option that matches your experience. If you are new to trading, select I'm new to crypto. Otherwise, select I'm a crypto pro. Next, enter your email address or phone number and select register. Enter the verification code sent to your email or phone. After that, create a secure password and select continue. The welcome aboard screen will then appear. If someone invited you, select yes and enter their referral code. Otherwise, select no. You will now need to verify your account. Begin the identity verification by entering your South African ID details. If you have another nationality, tick the box and fill in the information as prompted. Binance will now verify your data. Next, you will need to complete a face scan to verify who you are. After that, check that your full name, date of birth, and South African ID number are all correct. Then select continue. Next, enter your residential address. Then enter your employment status. After that, press continue on the next screen. Your Binance account will then go under review for around 15 minutes. During this time, you will have limited access to some features. Once the review is complete, you will receive an email or app notification confirming that your account has been successfully verified. Finally, a green verified checkmark will appear on your Binance profile, showing that your identity verification has been completed successfully. And that is it. That is how to create a Binance account in South Africa. If this video helped you, remember to like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Goodbye.